The special panel of the Supreme Court of Peru has finalized this historic trial that took more than a year, and has convicted Fujimori on all the counts of human rights violations that he was charged with. One was a massacre of immigrants from the Andes killed in Lima. The other one was the abduction and later killing of students of a teaching university and one member of the faculty. And the third was the arrest and without warrant and torture of two prominent citizens that were that survived the ordeal. And in all cases, the court has found Fujimori guilty by reason of his control over the security forces and the clandestine group within the security forces that conducted those episodes. It's very auspicious for the rule of law because it sends a signal that no one is above the law, and particularly no one is above the law because for the reason of having been a head of state, no matter under what conditions he exercised his power. If you commit serious crimes, you have to be subjected to the law. It's also very auspicious because it established the clear independence and integrity of the judiciary of Peru, in the sense of being able not only to try this very complicated, very complex case, but also to do it with the most complete and profound respect for the rights of Fujimori as a criminal defendant. It's already a very great landmark. It's as significant or more than in the 80s the trial of the junta members in Argentina. It kind of signals to the region that there's a new dawn of democracy and of rule of law in Latin America. But I also think it has implications for the victims of these very serious violations. For the most part, the dead among the victims were very poor Peruvians. They had been marginalized, they had been affected by the conflict, by the insurgents, and then by the government forces. And the fact that they can have a day in court, that they can see justice done, has to be very gratifying to them, but also to all the marginalized and the poor in Peru and elsewhere that are always on the verge of losing hope that the institutions of democracy mean something to them as well as to the rich.